Yes, it's been quite a long day, but we give glory to God. A lot of issues has been trashed, especially applications and motions. This is basically what the court did today, to regularize all pending applications to enable my lords to take the substantive adoption on Thursday. So basically, this is what actually happened. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. So we hope to see you on Thursday. Yes.
I would have liked to speak to the lawyer, but I know from the other angle, not your angle. I don't know which faction you represent.
There's no faction. I represent the People's Democratic Party, PDP.
All right.
Yes.
But you know that the application for withdrawal of their suit on the opening of the plaza was withdrawn at the Federal High Court. I don't know if you refer to that here.
No, you mean an application to withdraw a suit? No. What is here are appeals, basically appeals. So we have not treated anything that has to do with appeals from the judgment emanating from the Court of Justice Lifu Omotosho and Uche. So we have not discussed anything about the opening or reopening of the Secretariat today in the Court of Appeal. Yes, yes, until Thursday. My name is Jungudo Haruna Mohammed, the National Publicity Secretary of the PDP.
All right.
Yes, the authentic PDP.